Well, I got to share this one with you. This is high-rise apartments, and you got to have a code to get in the building. And hello, how are you guys today? All right. And if you don't have the code to get in, you're stuck, especially if the person doesn't want to answer the phone or answer the machine. So I'm on a $5 run from Walmart, and it's been a half hour. I finally had to sneak in behind somebody, and then I got up to the apartment, and they said that she wasn't home, but there was somebody there, and they weren't answering the door. So that was a half-hour fiasco. And then I go back in because it was double pickup from Walmart, and then the app was telling me that I hadn't completed the one prior to this delivery. So finally had to manipulate that one. So now I'm a whole half hour behind my next run. So be aware that's going to happen to you. You get in these high-rise apartments with 600 units in it, and then you got the security down below, and you're hoping that once you punch the residence number, it lit up, everything lit up as if a video was being shown and who was there, but nobody was responding to me. So yeah, that was a $2 delivery, and the one prior to that was a $5 delivery. Well, I'm not happy with this dash. Once I got started, when I punched dash this morning, it said you're scheduled for 10 to 1. And I was scheduled last night, I scheduled for 10:30 to 11 p.m. and I can shut myself down wherever I wanted to. When I got down here to dash, it said you're scheduled from 10:30. So I kicked dash, and now it's 1 o'clock and I'm done. Man, this has been a screwed up day. Holy cow. I had a Walmart order that filled my entire back here. I've never had one quite so many. And okay, but I was able to get back into the scheduling, and something opened up. So I was able to get myself back in. Unfortunately, I'm still waiting. It was only a half-hour slot. So it looks like I'm going to be sitting on that. And there's another one that's kicking in at 2 o'clock, 2 to 5. And there's technically a $2.50 bonus for that time frame. So I'll let you know how that works out. All right, to finish this day up, I just got home. It's now 5:30, and I got there at 10:30 this morning. I got another nine dashes, and the last one I just did was a Walgreens. I had to go in for the customer shop and then use my red DoorDash card to pay for it. So you'll have that evolution as well. So that's what that red card is that you get. I don't know what happens if you don't have the red card. I guess I have no idea what happens if you don't have that red card and you accept a shopper's delivery. So keep that in mind. Also, 30 to 5,